Boop-a-doop-a-doop-boop-boop-a-doop. I'm running out of space on this desk. There's too many fucking things on it, bro. It's full of fucking things, bro. I need my Bootstrap site. By that I mean this site, and then I can work on it from here. Or the 2009 Skate Mobile would work too. I think that uses it. Maybe that one's just static. We want to utilize Vue.js, bro. We want to utilize Vue.js. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh, this will work. It's gotta install the Vue shit, bro. Home.view. Look at all of our friends. I'm thinking maybe rough this out in Photoshop real quick. Here's what I'm thinking. This is like a, join the mailing list box here that you can click on, put in your email. And then the background is like scrolling text, like in the trailer video. Like this is like, you know what I'm saying. Can be static too, but we like scrolling text. Scrolling text background Vue.js. Parallax scrolling effect in Vue. Don't want that. Text scrolling horizontally, CSS. Examples. Look at that. Bzzzt. Left to right. top to bottom. Look at that. That's basically what I want. Okay. Okay. Mounted empty. Certainly don't need those. It's an empty object. That should be fine. We can delete the methods too. ID div element end tag missing. Div. Ends right there, bro. What you mean, brother? What do they mean? The tag is clearly closed. This element is missing end tag. Oh, there's no slash here. I see. I see. What was that page? How did I lose it already? How am I losing it already, bro? That's fine. Failed to load a resource on line 1. It's scroll container. Not accessing any fun fonts or anything. Huh. Maybe it was just messed up for some reason. Oh, did it come back? Pog? He came back! Infinite linear 15 seconds. Okay. So that's why. It repeats every 15 seconds, bro. Can you do this in CSS? CSS render only text outline. Text stroke property. Okay, yeah, that's exactly what we want. WebKit text fill color. Okay. Yeah, we have access to all this stuff. Okay, nice. So the font that we want is called Artegra Sans. Artegra. Mrs. Artegra. Sans. Bold italic. I found one font there. Artegra Sans bold italic. Da font free. The font for free. Whoa, that's a lot of fonts in that folder, brother. Extended. SC medium thin regular. What is the font weight here? I'm guessing just regular. Is this italics? Regular, italic, semi-bold, bold italic. There it is. 700 bold italic. Looks good. There's my driver's license. Italic. Italic. That goes into the assets folder, I think. SRC. Where do they go? Where do they go? because that dist folder is generated automatically. Views. Maybe I make a folder called assets. Do 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 do. Boom 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 boom. What's it like on my other site? Public. Slash projects. Team category. I don't know. Logo down the cropped up PNG. How do you have access to that? Where is it? Path. Copy. Tailwind. Post CSS. Feed build. Router. All normal stuff, but SRC logo. Okay. And then logo is defined where? Up here, as down the crop.png. Okay. Just how do it do what they do, you know? How do it do what the doo-wops do? I would like to change the font used in scroll container to cointainer. The coin game. Y'all ever played the coin game? I watched Jerma press that button to try and get the light on the right light bulb. He never got it. Dun 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 dun. The squiggle. How does the squiggle work? What is the squiggle? Here's your updated view component. Custom font. Doot doot, here's the custom font right here, bro. Doot doot. I'm gonna be editing the wrong shit. If I leave those open. Failed to load. At squiggle. Do they go here? There they go. Who's accessing it? Huh? The root of your view project. I don't have permission. I don't know what's open with it. I ain't with it. It's open or something. All right, cool. Hey, it's missing the underscores. What kind of font is this? It's called what? Artigent? Artegra. Sans bold italic. I want bold italic. Where'd all the good people go? It's a titif. A waft, too. We're building a landing page like this. That's what we're doing today. But the text is going to scroll. That's what's on the agenda today. I don't like this local stuff. We know we can trust the URL. Can we trust the local? I don't think so. Okay. Problem is we have two definitions of this now. Font style italic. Bold italic. Let's get rid of that. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Do we define the font scale anywhere? Scroll text. We have the sans serif font, but we don't have font size. Let's go with the, what is it? DP? Font scale in DP. Maybe I'm thinking Android stuff. What's the best way to define font size in CSS? EMs, that's what I'm thinking about. 2 rems. Make it 4 rems. Looks okay. 5 rems? Are you crazy? This guy's gone nuts. He's doing 5 rems. Overflow hidden. Set the wrap style. CSS. Sugar blah, 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 blah. Overflow hidden. Well, mine is wrapping. Max content, inline size, overflow word break, overflow wrap, word break. Do we need inline size to be defined? Is that the secret? It is. It's still wrapping, bro. Don't do this wrapping. We don't want it to wrap. Overflow hidden should be enough, you'd think, right? But it don't do it. Doink. Aha. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, no wrap. Overflow hidden. Aha! There we go. Translate from x minus 100. So we can have an opposite one. Scroll text 2. Backwards. Forwards. Can you write some CSS to animate to the second text backwards? We just have to add another class here. That's exactly right. GPT, you're so good. You're so good, GPT. Pog! CSS render only text outline text stroke property. White, please. Fill color will override color regardless of order. Nice. It's doing it, bro. It's doing it. Very, very close to what I want. I'd like the lines to be offset by a random amount so they don't all line up. Also, the backwards scrolling text starts off screen, leaving a large amount of blank space. Can we please fix these two issues? Why are they updating Zed's abilities? They look fine. They should have just redone the originals in, like, new style instead of fucking rethinking them. Fuck! Who's in charge of these guys? Fuck! Fuck! No. He lied to me! He lied to me! Good. Why is this mad? This looks like good view code. Maybe I... There we go. To 12. Ha! I don't like that. Maybe there's a better way to set those offsets instead of manually assigning an index. I like that. B4. I like it, I like it. Good answer. Now, if I used view more often, I would just have known to do this, but it's been like a year since I've used this properly. Well, you're almost there. You're almost there. You forgot a key element. Line direction. So this is scroll text backwards and scroll text forwards. Then where is the style margin on the side here is fine. Seems like this should just work. Huh. Like, they have the right class, it just doesn't seem to actually have the properties. Hmm. For some reason, that really does look like it should work. But the CSS, the local CSS styles don't want to apply for some reason. Deprecated use deep inline selector. Yeah, let's just unscope it and see if that works for us. Something broke. What is line? Where were we? How come this just don't want to worky? How come you don't want to worky? In direction. Use the class directive. Let's go back to this. Boo doo 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 doo. This here. This here. Well, I guess we need to bring him along. He's kind of their friend, Mr. Fontface. src main js index css. Oh, we have access to the tailwind stuff? Okay, that's cool too. I like that. I like it. I feel like there's the deep is deprecated. Deprecated. Compute style. I guess that works. You can also use CSS modules, which give you locally scoped CSS with easier to manage dynamic styling. How'd that work? Yeah, it's just unhappy is all. Maybe we'll try the inline. If anything gonna work, it's the inline, brother. If anything gonna work, it's inline. Data. Methods. Where do I put it? Seems like it should want to work. Oh, this needs one more. Aha! Rainbow braces. Okay, we almost have it. We almost have it. Sure, let's use the inline styles. Please convert this to inline. Can't directly convert to inline. I don't like to hear that. What a mess. What a mess we've made. I do not like this answer, but it may just work. Which would be fine. Methods default. Thank you. Thank you. Invalid end tag. 108. Aha! But they're synced up again. So it didn't even do what we wanted. This didn't turn out the way I wanted. This is your life now. Okay, where's the... There you go. That's fine. I'll have this as a... In here we have something called repeating text. And then in here we just go repeating text. Cool. Ah, that's a good idea too. Give it multiple styles. These can just be different attributes, you know? Let me ask a new guy. Can you set these lines to be offset by a random amount? I don't want them all to be synced up. They scroll. Ref, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards. think the animation resets their position. I don't think this insert rule is a great idea. No, they're still synced. Animation delay. That's not a bad idea. Nope. Is there a way to do it with you? I think directly editing the DOM is causing an issue. We're back to classes being computed, which is not good. Well, we always got the hack solution where we just fucking put 10 different animations in there. And that is a solution, and a valid one at that. And a valid one at that. We put a random. Is there a way to just put a random in the randomizer in the CSS? Or is that not something that CSS can do? Set property, random delay. OMG, bro. That works. Okay, cool, man. This is already becoming a mess, though, so... Hi, can you shorten my view code and CSS, please? It's a mess. I'll be right back. My assistant is working. Kopika. Why weren't we reading his suggestions? Look at how he's inlined all this beautiful stuff. What a genius. What a genius. We can't do this. Can't do that. That cannot be done. That cannot be done, mister. Scroll text forward, scroll text backwards. Why is it fucked? Huh. Huh. Why is it fucked up, bro? Oh, it's class versus ID. I see. Okay, well, it reduced it by like 20 lines because we are reusing this. That's nice. And they're still scrolling in opposite directions, yes. Okay. Can you please make it so there's... Oop. Can you please make it so that the text is always scrolling on screen? No blank area. I played so bad in League yesterday, man. That was crazy. That was crazy, dude. No changes here. The template remains the same. The script also remains the same. The CSS needs to undergo some adjustments. Alter text data. All right. If I really believe in myself, I think we can do a good job. My animation reverse. Let's give it a try. I don't think that this is gonna work, but why not give it a try? It do work. Nice. Oops. Sometimes it glitches. Oh, they're all going in the same direction now, too. Okay, one of these needs to be 50 and the other one is minus 50, right? Is that the thing? I see. They get off screen and then they... Okay, I see what's going on with that. Hmm. Maybe this needs to be aligned left instead of right. I would play Caitlin. I'm a little Caitlin, short and stout. I even need this text align property apparently. It does make sense why it's doing this though. Like, here's the beginning of the text versus the beginning of the text being somewhere over here and then scrolling this way, right? So it does make sense to me. All right. Like I said, I played very badly yesterday. Surely I will play very goodly today. Surely the man will play goodly. Bigly. We're gonna win bigly today.
Welcome to Summoner's Rift.
Lamau. Lamau. Who do we want to kill? We gotta choose a guy. I'm gonna get hooked here. I needed one more fucking auto attack. This game sucks balls.
Minions have spawned.
Well. No big deal. Being flashless sucks, but fresh no flash, I have no flash. It's fine. It's fine. We're going to be fine. Level 1 Riven is so scary. To a 80 carry. To a level 1 Riven, not so scary to a Renekton. Still a little bit scary, but not like shit your pants scary, you know?
An ally has been slain.
Ruh-roh. Damn, she fucking doing deeps. Nice try. Fuck. Ophelios is not going to be able to hit the wave the way that he wants to.
Has been slain. You have been slain.
Maybe she can get one more? Yeah. I like the Lulu. Is that a kill? She has another reset. Yeah, yeah. Nice. Okay. We're back in the game. We back in it. Smells like fresh laundry in the house. What a lovely scent. I suck so bad. I think I've missed every cannon in the game so far, bro. How did this guy get so bad at League? And by this guy, I mean me. That's very close to a kill there. He got fucked up, dude! She did. Sorry, team. I tanked the turret for you, though. Holy shit, I got one. I had flash. Maybe I should have just done it. Let's get out of here. Skedaddle. Bro, I'm skedaddling. I can just turn that into a V4 as well. Can you make this a V4? Exactly. Yes. Okay, we have Rengar ganking right now.
An ally has been slain.
I do want to fight. Oh, he's leaving.
An ally has been slain.
Go away. We don't like you.
Shut down. You
guy likes to be bottom, though. Belvath, go away! Hmm. This is not what we want. We just want 2 lines, V4, do it twice. Or do it 3 times or whatever. I'm coming.
You have slain an enemy.
See ya. Fuck, I missed by 1 little pixel, bro. That's fine. Nice shot.
Shut down.
Hurry! That little shit was huge, bro. It was huge. It was huge. Hello, miss.
You have slain an enemy.
I think I'm fine. Belveth, top lane. I flash in 10 seconds. Tilia missing. Looks good.
Has been slain.
Riven Belveth. You don't need to flash there. In my humble opinion. If they go in on you, you still have ults. And then you can flash later. I think that Belveth here. Let's try.
An enemy has been slain.
Good job, team.
An ally has been slain. Turret plating will soon fall. Killing spree.
Goodbye. I'm a Gale Forcer. It's not first turret, but who doesn't like getting a turret kill?
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Rotate up.
Turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain. Your team has destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain.
She was on a trap there. I could have dodged, but also that's a nice play to go around that way. Yeah, misplay. Too far up. Sometimes you get punished for playing really far up. That's just how it is. You wanna go bottom? Gale. How's this girl doing? They're pretty extended here. I just don't know if they stayed for an extra second or not. Yeah. Okay. Maybe we can still catch them. My fucking bad. I got my shit all cancelled too. Like I didn't, my Gale Force did nothing because I was on top of this stupid move. I'm bad. I'm bad! Big boy.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Riven said it bot too. No, she's top. Okay. Thanks for mid turret, boys.
Shut down. Your team has destroyed a turret. An ally has been slain. You have been slain.
From here to here. Okay. Okay. Bummer.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Like, I really don't feel that slow, but maybe Belveth is just so mobile that you can't get away. Because I started fucking running there pretty early. And still, it's just turns into nothing. I just can't fucking move, man.
Shut down. You have been slain.
Get one shot. Uh-oh. That was her best option, in my opinion. This guy should build, whatever it's called. Hullbreaker. Why doesn't he have one? Hello?
Your turret has been destroyed.
You have a slow? Well played. Coming. Take this. RFC. Total healing 2,000? That's crazy. That shit cray. Ain't it, Jay? This guy flash? No, how'd he get over the wall? Blast plant. Seems like a throw. I don't really care about that guy that much. That ain't good. Nice hit. We do have prio for this, so they have to base.
Has destroyed a turret.
I wish that there was more, like, it's so fun to kite people around. Like, you just don't get the opportunity to do it that often. So you just die in one hit. That's not good. Why did he buy the elixir of iron, bro? Ugh. Whatever. Belveth, get the fuck off of me! Cat is red. It's fine. I will use one of my wards. Pink.
Your turret has been destroyed.
I can buy armor pen. Cat, you can't leave, dude. They're gonna take it. Okay, no. Nice. Ooh. I didn't even hit anybody. I think that we're going in. Yeah, Rengar's going in. Can we fucking go in? Hello? I don't know. We really should have just fucking killed everybody there. We're fine, we're fine. It's all good. I am unable to see. He is dead. Okay. Lulu has her arm. This guy can't kill 4 of us. There's no fucking way. Hello? I'm being murdered?
Your inhibitor is respawning soon. You have slain an enemy. Enemy
We really easily could have killed this. I think Rengar fucked up big time by not actually just taking it. Huh. Yeah, that thing's gone. Rip. Misplay. Baron first. Like, she needs to engage on us. I've dealt so much damage this game. Wow. What a hook. How did I get stunned? Reset city? Dude, he's so fucking bad! You give him a triple kill, he's so fucking bad! Come on! Full HP Lulu runs away. Yeah, that's good. Lulu, you could stop him from taking the dragon, you know that, right? Like, you're as strong as him. He had 1 HP. No, she had to go buy the Watchful Ward Stone. Whatever. Give them the fucking Dragon Soul. Do whatever you want. This guy's dog shit. Just fucking go for kills. Get picks. Win the game. Where'd my support go? Why did she walk around all the way like this? What is she doing? Is she trolling?
Your inhibitor has been destroyed. Your turret has been destroyed. Your inhibitor has been destroyed.
Fuck! Yeah. Katarina. That sucks. That game should have been a win. That should have been a win. Yeah, I did a shitload of damage. When my team gave this guy a triple kill and the Dragon Soul, that was the worst play that they did the entire game. That was free. Oh well. What are you talking about? Text length. No. This seems not right. This seems not right, I would say. Yep. But it do work. Oh, it's just quiet. Maybe it's the League of Legends client, or maybe I'm quiet. Maybe it was a Windows update. That's always a classic. Let's go to the volume sounds thing. Maybe the Windows update changed my microphone levels. No, 80 is where it's usually at. Oh, man! What are we gonna do? It's support Anivia. Hooray! I love support Anivia. Bum, 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 bum. Infinite. Infinite. I don't think that we should have that in there. Because we set the animation someplace else, you know? Fade out. Ease in, infinite. Okay. Well, like, this is just gonna do it in one direction. Because now...
Welcome to Summoner's Rift.
It's gonna be fucked. No, it's not fucked. But it doesn't do what I wanted.
Until minions spawn.
Still jumps. I've been thinking about it a lot, and I'm not convinced relying on Copilot and GPT so hard is good because it nullifies a lot of learning. That is absolutely true. That is absolutely true. Yep, I already feel myself becoming a less capable programmer. And I'm very impatient when it comes to reading documentation too. I'm just like, fuck it, GPT will do it for me. I don't have to learn how to do it. I just have GPT do it. John talks about that in Preventing the Collapse of Civilization, Jonathan Blow.
Between both of our societies some decades ago. For example, in 1957, when the Soviet Union launched the world's first magnet back in the USA.
Oops.
Idea was pretty successful. They were like land rockets, and we were talking about doing another movement
First,
see if that actually
the enemy has been slain.
talked about it too, and that's a pretty good prediction where we were not long ago. So we want to talk about a few things from the past that were
Oops.
great and I wanted to go through a few more. To reiterate this point, that technology automatically is great. This is a relic found dating back to the Roman Empire. And this glass that it's made of is the world's earliest known animal. Glass is based on how you look at it, let's say the light source. So if you're
Harry, did you put your name in the goblet of fire?
right? And then the Roman Empire fell, and that knowledge was lost until basically forever. The way this worked was actually got figured out the glass is suffused with very small particles of silver and gold. By very small, I mean 50 to 70. So small you would not be able to see them with a physical microscope. You would require an electron microscope.
An enemy has been slain.
But at some point, the Roman Empire fell, and they forgot how to do it. A lot of craftsmen looked into this. You could see, how it's hollowed out on the inside where the little guy's body is. Gives him more of a purple
An enemy has been slain.
red background. Talk about this. Yeah. This is actually like, oh, the stupid Roman stand.
Ally has been slain.
My supported Divya, no!
But anybody who's actually writing about them knows you do not get a result this good without a constant process of iteration and refinement. You can imagine there will be some initial action, like maybe somebody wanted to make glass sparkly and they tried to put silver and gold in it.
Where's him?
Also in the modern day, that's sophisticated time. Also in the modern day, right? We lose knowledge all the
Shut
time.
down.
Here we go.
And not just in ancient history, also in the modern day, right? We lose knowledge all the time. I'm going to read an excerpt from an interview with Bob Colwell. But this interview is in Silicon Valley. He worked at a startup called Flow. They were trying to build a very large storage processor that his personal ideas. And he was having a lot of problems with how to design chips and using manufacturers and putting together anything to work reliably. But what Nick Lesson and I made a pilgrimage to Texas. Said, best we can tell, that these chips don't work properly. Because it comes with some happens that what? You're out of your mind. You've done something wrong. Come on, They said, yeah, we know. Wait. I looked at the list and said, well, by the way, what is it? Their part.
An enemy has been slain.
By Bill Gates' guy, generation and by taking a straight out of space with no to ask what the change actually is. Right. Change the voltage place
An enemy has been slain.
and when those fields interact across the chip, bad is bad.
So that story is what's going to happen with all this GPT shit. It's like,
An ally
nobody
has been
knew.
slain.
You're not supposed to do it that way. Anybody that read the shit would know you don't do it that way.
Kill. Enemy double kill.
And we will lose knowledge over time. Not just in our own brains, but as a civilization. And who knows, maybe we won't even be able to make great games like Filter in the future, with side-scrolling text that jumps around when the animation restarts. Oh boy. I guess I can just add that to both animations. That's an easy answer. I like that. That's Kazakhs. Ruh-roh. Nice combo, Lee. You're telling me I haven't landed one Q on these guys? As assuming GPT doesn't become infallible, it feels like if you really know your stuff, there will still be use for you in 10 years. So relying so hard on GPT feels like a really solid bet. Well, we've talked about this before too. Like, you need to know what you're talking about when you request things. Like, if you want a really good response from GPT, you need to prompt it correctly. And I don't think that that's going to be really easy to solve. Like, you can't... If I want it to do this text scrolling for me, like, I need to explain that I have a font file in a given directory that it needs to import as a font face, and then we're going to have multiple versions of it and have it offset a little bit. Like, I need to direct it to do what I want it to do. If you didn't know at least a skeletal example of how you want it, how it should be done, you're not going to get a great result. Oh, I should have E'd forward there. Oh, I missed. Though I missed.
An enemy has been slain. Shut down. Enemy killing spree.
Let us see your list. Here's more shit that was wrong with it. I can't believe that I haven't landed a fucking Q this game. Okay, I've landed one Q because I'm really good. Dun, 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 dun. We watched, what's his name? Kaizo? His name's like Kazooie something. He makes Super Mario 64 videos. SM64 ASM. Decomp. This guy, he's Mario Scientist, man.
I've read, optimized, and bug fixed
The entirety of the Super Mario 64 code.
So this is already pretty well optimized for the Nintendo 64. And I want to see if ChatGPT can help me optimize it even more, which would be amazing if it could. I've done it before with 3.5 and found one improvement, and unfortunately ChatGPT was wrong in a lot of cases. But I got some of your critics, and I gave it more information. So I'm telling it I'm working with the processor here.
A MIPS architecture.
I'm telling it about mechanics and memory speed, which, in case you didn't know, the N64 is mostly bottlenecked by memory speed, so you can predict the speed of code almost entirely by its size, the cache line size, and stuff like that. Right now, I have our RAM method here, and our entire grab render segment is 0x2 bytes, which is very good because the iCache is 0x4 bytes, so we are right below that. We don't have to worry about running out of cache space, but if it reduces even more, that would be amazing. And I have worked with all the some of my files. I didn't tell it all of them, but yeah, it's just telling me when you should have a normal. Let's look at actually our functions. So our first function is ntxf to ntx. This takes floating point matrix, point assembly.
We have a team, right? There they are.
It makes a number like this, that would be amazing. This whole function is 31 lines per sample code, and that's very good because that's almost like a multiple of 8,
Plating will
which
fall
means that
soon.
it's in 4 cache lines. So optimizing this fit into 3 cache lines is basically impossible.
Well, let's see when it comes up. When it's test and source do not overlap, which cannot be. Okay, that's actually kind of a really good idea, but I don't think it makes a difference here. Unroll the loop manually to get about optimization.
Man, I miss Smart GPT. This one was so smart. He's using the smart boy here. It knows what it's talking about. If he gave it these same instructions, it would just spit out garbage now.
It will take me to the cover here. But strict my way. So the way we're going to check is improve anything. By the way, I actually wrote this in assembly, so this is not really improvable. But let's just see what happens. Oh, let's apply that optimization. See if it decreases the code size. This is at
An ally has been
45C.
slain.
I'm compiling. It is at 45C still. Yeah, I figured this wouldn't actually improve anything because the way this is written, but still a very good idea by ChatGPT. It's fine.
Anyway. It's a smart computer program. Ooh, hi, dude. I don't even know if I'm strong enough to kill this guy. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. Okay, I killed him. But the bullets were in flight. Anivia tried to flash in front of me, I think. It didn't work. We're on it right now. I bought this. It's like Lexus or something. Amazon.com. It's fun to type on. I like it. Plexus. It's in my order history. Amazon.ca. Orders. A knife set. Perix keyboard. $99. It has low profile kill mechanical switches, so it's not just little dinky keyboard. But I think it's good. I switched my mouse, like I have, this is the G Pro, because both of my wrists were starting to hurt, which was a first for me. So I switched to a mouse that's more ergo, like not just a fully symmetrical design, so it fits my hand better. And so far, like I have multiple things that I'm using right now for attempting to get my wrists better, and they are, like, they're not bothering me as much as they were, so I'm not sure what the biggest helper is, but I'm sleeping with these wrist guards on. Well, at least with my left wrist, I sleep with a wrist guard on. I'm not doing that for the right wrist. But yeah, keyboard, switch the mouse, and I'm using the wrist guards when I sleep. And I think that that's been beneficial. Like, things are definitely not getting worse. So I think we'll see. I've had it for a week now, I guess. August 26th, I ordered it, and it would have arrived like the 30th. So yeah, I've probably had it for a week. But yeah, it's fun. I think that the ability of myself, like, if I could choose whatever career path that I wanted right now, and I was, I don't know, let's say that I was 17 again, so 10 years back, going to university, I think I would have wanted to have a focus on AI instead of a focus on just computer science. Like, I want to do some AI stuff. There's a cool, like, I just know nothing about how this stuff really works, right? Like, I've never built a transformer function. I've never done any of this stuff, so I think that it'd be interesting to learn how to at least implement a very basic version of the cool things that are going on in the world right now. I'll link this.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Let's go here.
An enemy has been slain.
It's like a self, AI,
Shut down.
GitHub.
Triple kill. An ally has been slain.
Repos. Open pilot pandas. Do they have it pinned? It might be pinned on their org.
Godlike.
Overview, projects, repositories. No, this is different than what I'm thinking of.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
They have Rumble on their team?
An enemy has been slain.
Maybe I favorited it. Yeah. This would be so cool to do, man. This would be so fucking cool. I want to do this just for fun. How am I so weak, man? Like, land everything on that guy except for my ult, and I still just fucking die. There's also this really interesting Unity thing called ML agents, which I think would be very interesting to learn as well.
Killing spree.
Code Monkey, let's learn how to use machine learning and ML agents in Unity. This is a very powerful language that lets you create some extremely
Your team has destroyed a turret.
There's immense massive potential in this tool, but you don't know how to use it. This is a long video, but if you
Has destroyed a turret.
You'd be able to do this like Trackmania AI.
Your team has destroyed.
Like this shit. This would be so cool to make.
Intelligence in the racing game Trackmania. This AI is not very intelligent yet, but that's normal. It has just started to learn. In fact, I want to use a method called reinforcement learning to make this AI learn by itself how to drive as fast as possible. I also want it to become intelligent enough to master various combinations of terms without ever falling off the road. To ensure this, AI will have fast understanding, completely abstract. But first of all, how is simple computer program supposed to learn? It's not the first time I'm experimenting
Look at all
with
them
AI
cars.
Trackmania, and to achieve this, I'm using a method called machine learning. First, I'm running the program.
Anyway, that's a cool video too. Zero to hero. This is cool. free information. Micrograd. Yeah. I need to know about this stuff. Tiny grad, micrograd, PyTorch. These are all things I want to learn. Da 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 da. Finally, I win. Hooray! I played so bad. I wasn't paying attention. I was all tabbing, learning about AI, calibration, the something cup that John Blow was talking about. But if I did do games, I'd want to be a game programmer. I don't want to do this fucking decorating shit. I don't want to design the levels outside of maybe extremely basic stuff. That's somebody else's job. I don't want to be the cave decorator. I want to write computer program, not cave decorating. Animation. Keyframes, my animation. This should be my animation reverse. This one can be like this. Does it need this name stuff still? It's not getting the offset now, though. Maybe I deleted that. Did I delete something important? Okay, those are offset. That's good. Good. Fade out 15. But they're all aligned now. How come the alignment is wrong? What did I change that would modify the alignment? Those look good. Oops. I like the offsets. They look good. Animation name, my animation reverse. Fade in, fade out. Animation delay, random delay. Oh, it needed double delays? That might be it. Because now it has two animations? I see, I said. That kind of makes sense to me. So this one goes like this. Reverse. Nope. Fuck it. Linear. Is it just really slow now? I see. When this animation is finished, 15 seconds, and we fade out the text and then fade it, then restart it like this. Set timeout. Don't think that's what we want to do. Along with view's reactive properties. Random length. That's an idea. Not a bad idea, mister. This is inside of the 4 or no? Okay, this is outside of the 4. Ah, they all do it together. Yes, of course. Yes, of course, of course. It's just this one that should do it. Nope. Stop fade. Fade out, repeating text. Dun, 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 dun. See a glitch there too. And again. 15 seconds is a long time. Something broken here. Fade was accessed during render, but is not defined. Ah, I see. I did not add it to the variables. Well, it's not glitching for the same reason that I thought it was. Like, I thought that was because the animation was restarting. It seems like it's doing that because the text is scrolling off screen, so maybe I just need more fucking filler text. And then, it won't be mad anymore. Starts with a... That's great, it starts with an earthquake. Billy Joel was not afraid. Bottom glitched. Yeah, they like want to glitch. They want to glitch. Delay. Random delay. I don't know how these animations is supposed to work. What do I look like? Some kind of Walt Disney? There's no down the crop Discord server, unfortunately. You can add me on there, though. I don't know how you add people anymore now that there's no searchy with the... You know what I'm saying. There's no more hash mode. There's probably only one down the crop in the search mode, though. Is there a search? Add friend. How does it go? Gaming. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, the answer is no. The Down the Crop Discord server is twitter.com, if you've ever been there. It's very popular. Also, I think that Elon's kind of walking back the, like, why is it still twitter.com? We could very easily... Oh my goodness. We could very easily just have this be x.com, right? Like, what's the What's the reasoning behind when I go to x.com/downthecrop? How come it redirects me to twitter.com/downthecrop? Shouldn't twitter.com/downthecrop redirect me to x.com/downthecrop? That's what I'm thinking. If this X idea is so cool, why are the redirects the wrong way around, Mr. Elon Musker? Whoa, big explosion. Oh my goodness, that was very loud. Sorry about that. Your game's badass, bro. You can parry nukes now. Maybe we just focus on something else for now. Marilyn Monroe. I just don't understand why they jump around a little bit. It's gotta be this delay thing. But like, does the random delay reset it as well? I don't know. Animation offset is equal to this. Okay, that's fine. I like that. Do we need this Ather stuff, or is that not important? Linear infinite, no wrap. Guess who's back with a brand new wrap? What is the point of the text length? Animation offset. Is equal to var text length over 2. Can we just do that here? Doink. We're doing a calc inside of a calc. This should be here over 2. Okay, now we don't need this random delay, right? Because now we don't care about it. We're just using text length. Now what do you think? Nope. Where's the offset, bro? What the fuck? Oh, you know this? No, I don't know. What the fuck? Random delay. Random delay is equal to -1184 ms. length is here. And this only gets set on the start. Minus 150 milliseconds. So like this one resets more often because it's larger. I don't know. North Korea, South Korea, Marilyn Monroe. What's the point of this length then? I don't understand what the point of the length is. Animation offset. Length. Animation offset. Are we rewriting it here? Random delay. Animation offset is equal to this. Animation offset. Bro, I don't understand. Random delay. Animation delay is equal to random delay. Animation offset is should be equal to this. I'm confused. I'm so confused. Okay, no. Let's put this here. Let's put this here. Rid of this. So it's getting to its final position, I think, and then it's restarting. I think that's just what it's doing. Like, these ones are gonna hit their, yeah, they hit their finish point, and then they're done. These ones are more confusing. Like, this one's easy-ish to understand what's going on. Okay, let me just switch this back to how it was before's. Don't need this. backwards. I'm the backwards man, the backwards man, the backwards man, the backwards man. Why view? I watched in a documentary, a YouTube video is... The answer is I watched a YouTube video and I liked the creator. Evan documentary. This. I watched this video. And I liked him. I liked Evan Yu. He seemed like a smart cookie. So I said, I will use View. Also, he named his release One Piece and Naruto. So that's how you know he's a good programmer. It's the One Piece release. Okay. GPT. Help! I have this web page that has scrolling text on it as a background, but it jumps when it jumps what can I do to make it more perhaps we could just have a repeating text string instead of having a long piece of text, like it would keep adding to the end of the string when it gets close to the end. One solution is to modify your animation logic to make it infinite and seamless. Double text. Okay, it just puts it twice. Okay, that's nothing. Your existing styles here. Transform. What I did, created a computed property double text that doubles the repeating text for smooth transitions. I don't know how that really works. Update the mounted function to set text length to half the element's width because we've doubled the text. Sure, that's fine. Update the keyframe animation to move from one end of the string to the other without any jumps. I don't know what you mean. How did you modify any of that? I don't think you did that, but sure, let's give it a try. I don't think that you're telling me the truth. In fact, I think you're lying to me. Nope, still jumpy. Oh, the text still jumps when it reaches the end. Duplicate the text and control the animation such that it starts over before the first part ends. Also, where's my offsets? That you can tell that it's random. That's good. You can tell. A random delay. Combine scroll forward text and scroll backwards text into one scroll text to for simplicity, but you can modify as per your specific requirements. That's not gonna do what I want because they scroll in opposite directions, dude. There's a reason why they're different. I think we'll just take a break and come back to this later. It should not be that difficult. I think I just need to have a better understanding of what it's actually doing. Oh. I killed it. He's killed it. What time do I have on this? 15. If I change this to 30, then they scroll slower, right? I think that's what that does. Let's see, they reset. But it's not at the end of 15 seconds. They reset when they hit the end of their... like the end of the text length. And then it starts over. So... I don't know. Oh well. I'll catch you next time. How's the Steam game doing? Is it accepted yet? Accept me. One sec. We're gonna check if the game is accepted. I don't think it is. It said two or more days. P9883 for review. It's not ready yet. Okay. Oh well. Thanks for tuning in, Starter Labs. I'll catch you next time, brother. Peace.